long he was here, how long ago he was here, and she wanted to be here today, but she had a lot of things she needs to do with her mother, so I promised to send her pictures, video. I'm going to try to video this, and but what I want to say is it meant so much to her, and I think Lisa forwarded the email that she sent. She was first blown away that you agreed to do it, and then she said it would mean so much to her dad, and it meant so much to her and her mom. So thank you for doing this. This has been in support of ALS. As you know, ALS research, this challenge has been amazing, and you're adding our bit to it. So thank you so much, and I guess, do you want me to say ready?
Which way?
No, I think we should go 1, 2, 3, make it so it's everybody gets to enjoy the event.
Roxanne is in charge, I guess.
It's a chain.
It's a chain. Oh, a chain.
Chain, we gotta go.
Lisa first. Microwave.
Like a wave. Are you ready?
Oh, I thought we were first.
All right. So Lisa's going to be getting first.
Ha ha.